So Kajabi or Squarespace? Which one of these two online platforms is right for you and your online business? Well, the answer is not that simple because it all depends on what functionalities you are looking for your business. Now, I'm going to break down the pros and cons of each platform in this video and watch all the way to the end, because if you do, you will have a better understanding of which platform is right for you, depending on the functionalities that you are looking for. So I'm just going to dive straight on over into my computer and compare these two platforms. So the first one I'm going to go to then is Kajabi. So Kajabi.com, you can either Google that or just go to Kajabi.com. And Kajabi, if you've followed any of my training before, Kajabi prides itself on being the one-stop shop, like the tool to rule all tools. You only need one tool and it does everything. Everything under one roof. So your coaching is worth more on Kajabi, your knowledge, your courses, your podcast. So it is a one price per month and you get everything in there. And some of the top features here, it actually says all the tools you need in one place, so you know where you stand. You don't need to be tech savvy, so this is a great platform if you just want to drag and drop. You're not a coder, you are a business owner, you want to just learn off the shelf. 0% revenue fees. Now this is really huge. It doesn't take any percentage of the money that you make through this platform. It's that one fee and done. And then it's no hassle, no money back guarantee. And they can offer you a 14-day free trial. It has some free AI tools. It's very easy to create courses, grow your business and manage. It is an inbuilt CRM, so customer relation management. And it's got a cute little graph on here if you just wanted to put in how many customers you think you'll have and how much you charge. You can actually work out how much you could potentially get. Loads of testimonials and resources. So if you wanted to try this out, you can try this out for 14 days, but hang on to the end because I've got something special for you. If you wanted to have a look, see what you can create, it's got online courses, it's got coaching, it's got podcasts, memberships and communities. Anything managed, you can manage your payments, your contacts, analytics. It's got a great analytics tool. And then growing websites, pages, emails, funnels, and it actually has its own mobile app. So have a look around here and I'll be comparing the functionalities of Kajabi to the functionalities of Squarespace and to see how they differ. So the next one, I'm just going to go straight on over. You've got a kind of an idea of what Kajabi does. Kajabi has actually come from a courseware background. So the actual bread and butter of Kajabi, they started building courses. Then they just reverse engineered some bolt-ons. So then you could do landing pages, you could do checkouts, you could do email automation and manage your customers. So it's actually come from the courseware background. So that's what you've got to try and think of and remember as we go over to Squarespace. Squarespace has come from a website builder. That was its bread and butter. That's what it was known for. And it actually has bolt-ons and courses and memberships, just similar to Kajabi. But let's have a look at what they offer. So you come down here, again, it's very, very similar. So you might be thinking at this stage of the game, they look very similar. This offers website overview, blogs, analytics, e-commerce. You can sell products, you can have courses and memberships, so it might look quite familiar or similar at this stage. Let's just have a scroll down on the main homepage. So again, growing your business online. These are all meant for growing online businesses. Create a website. So like I said, Squarespace actually was designed for creating gorgeous looking websites. And to be fair to them, they are great at creating landing pages and creating websites for you. So you might want to start here. You can have an online store. So the main difference here that I see where Kajabi and Squarespace differ, Squarespace actually have more towards physical products. So an online store, you're selling things, you're selling items, kind of like an Amazon store or Shopify. You can actually monetize your physical products by putting them on your Squarespace store. Whereas Kajabi is actually more along the lines of digital products. So courses, memberships and coaching and podcasts. So that's one of the first things that I see as a bit of a differentiating factor between the two. Again, e-commerce made easy. So it is focused around e-commerce. But have a look at what you get here. So I'm just going to actually click over into the pricing model. As you can see, so pricing plans, similar how they're all set out, it's either an annual or a monthly. So Kajabi, you've got 3 options. You've got, let's stick with the monthly, it's $149, $199, and $399. Squarespace options, you've got 4 options. Now it's 11, 17, 24, and 36. So the first thing that comes to mind is this is a lot cheaper than Kajabi, but more to that point in a sec. What do you actually get with Kajabi? Like I said, both actual options have an annual, save 20%. So pay monthly is actually, sorry, that was already on the annual. So pay monthly is 15, 24, 28, and 42. Pay annually, you save 29%. With Kajabi, pay annually, you save 20. So let's look at the basic. Basic 0% transaction fees across the board. So you have 3 products, 3 funnels, unlimited landing pages, which is huge, unlimited marketing emails, which is massive, 10,000 contacts, 1,000 active customers, 1 website and 1 admin user. As you go across, it just increases what you get. So this is included in an affiliate program. One of the great things here, so if you're going for the growth or over the growth plan, you get 24/7 chat support. Now Kajabi has hands down the best chat support that I have ever seen. Advanced automations and the ability to remove Kajabi branding if you pay for the growth. And then the Pro, you get a custom code editor. So if you're quite geeky and you're into custom coding, then you probably want the the Pro. Now going back to Squarespace, if you have a look down, it's got mobile optimized websites, templates for every need. So it's really focused on, like I said, the web building or the website building, web pages. Business, you get a bit more, you get advanced website analytics. And as you go down, you get a little bit more. So you might be thinking, well, sounds pretty similar. Why not go for Squarespace? If I went back to the product, so commerce extensions. So let's have a look, see how all the extensions work within Squarespace. So yes, you can actually add or integrate a lot of extensions through Squarespace. And then if you actually have a look here, how much are all these extensions? Now extension prices vary. So this is, you pay once with Kajabi, and with Squarespace, you actually pay once to actually get the plan. But if you want to add on anything, there's lots of additional extras. So you will need to add on if you're selling a course, if you will need to add on if you're actually having all these extensions. And just below here, Squarespace doesn't charge you. It's the third-party extensions, and they don't have control over the extension pricing. So that price might go up, and you have no governance over through Squarespace. And you just got to be careful when you actually start Squarespace. You could actually start for quite cheaply. Those add-ons might add up to a lot more than you might think. And actually, I have seen in some cases actually more than the basic plan in Kajabi. So just have a look at what those extensions might cost. And also, I just want to point out, if you are going to start a Squarespace account and you're looking at courses and memberships, if you just scroll down and have a look about what the courses and memberships are. Remember I said that Kajabi is actually started from the courses and memberships background. If you scroll down and you want to actually start courses and memberships with this, you can actually see there's additional price plans. So the price plan below is in addition to Squarespace website plans. So like I said, Squarespace is good for actually building out a website. And if that's all the functionality you need, then Squarespace might be for you. But if you wanted to use it for courses and memberships, just have a look down here, see what the annual and monthly plans might be. And just take a note here, there is a transaction fee in everything. So you must be aware of this, and you must try and work out what the transaction fee is. So on the starter plan, you have a 7% transaction fee if you wanted to use this for courses and memberships, 4% on the core and 1% on the pro. So just have a play around with that and just try and come up with what you would be outlaying monthly. If you are at all thinking about doing courses and memberships in the future, you could be starting on Kajabi might be the way to go, starting on their basic plan, because everything is included. If you just want a shop window for your merchandise store, then Squarespace might be the one for you. But let's have a look at, I always look to, after the pricing, I always try and look on Trustpilot. It gives you some honest reviews from people who have been using their platform. And I always take a close attention to Trustpilot and having a look at Kajabi. Kajabi has 1,741 reviews and it's on excellent. So you can actually read through some of these reviews, like my number one tool. Even have a look at, I would tend to ignore the 5 stars and the 1 stars and have a look at the 3s, the 4s and the 2s. But also I would have a look at Squarespace. Now this is actually quite shocking. It's classed as bad. Reviews is 758 and you're on a 1.4. So what I would do here is I would probably have a look at some of these 1 stars, but more like the 2s, 3s and 4s. But just how many 1 stars? I mean, I would read through some of these, but this would be a red flag in my book. If you are looking to use Trustpilot to sway your decision on Squarespace, using it or not, have a look at this, because this might actually change your mind if you are looking at starting on Squarespace. Now, but like I said, if you just wanted a landing page up to be your shop window, then Squarespace might be for you. Now what I'm going to do now is I'm going to hop over into my Kajabi account, because no surprises, I am a Kajabi user. I've used multiple online platforms over the last few years of business, but Kajabi is the one that I've really honed in on, and I've been using it for the last 5 years, and I haven't looked back. So once you sign into your Kajabi account, you get everything under one roof. That's what I was saying. So you can have products, you can sell physical products, you can sell courses, memberships, communities. You can actually link different offers and sales to different bundled products, and then you can build out your website. So you can link up a custom domain, you can actually build out your home pages and your landing pages, and then you can use it marketing emails. So you can actually send out a bunch of emails to your customers and actually schedule those out, either sequences or broadcasts, and then it's somewhere to manage your contacts as well. So building a list of contacts, again, should be the number one focus of any online business, is to grow that email list. And then analytics is really good at showing you what's working and what's not. I'm just going to dive straight into the design of my website pages, just to show you a little bit of the look and the feel. So I want to customize this. This is currently my home page and my website pages, or my system pages. So this is my home page, and you can just click on this little toggle here, home, library, directory, announcements. They have all these different pages that you can actually edit and build. And it's really, really simple. So I'm going to show you the About Me page. All you do is click into each box, and you can edit it in the left-hand sidebar here. Put your copy in there, and you can edit the copy, or you can even type on the little source code, and then you can, if you do know any HTML, you can actually edit those as well. But anything you like, if you want to put a picture up, you can select an image, upload a file. You can use that image to go to a URL, like a call to action. Anything you want here. If you wanted to embed a form, you could do that and click on here, and then you've got different sections like an image and a form, and then you can have a look what the background is, the layout, the mobile layout. It's really key in this day and age to actually get a mobile friendly version. So you can just click mobile here, and it will show you how it actually presents on mobile, which is really, really key. So I'm just going to go back to the home, and if I wanted to change around some of these blocks, all you needed to do on the left-hand column, you can just click and drag. So I've done one for desktop where it actually presents slightly differently on mobile. But if I wanted to present, if I wanted to go in here and then go my 3 benefits below my PDF guide, it was actually switch them around, and then vice versa. And you can hide anything here, rename, duplicate, hide, or delete. Adding a section, it gives you all sorts of options that you can add in. And the best thing is just to actually get a Kajabi account, start playing around with it, and it's really, really simple to understand how to actually get support and actually build this, and just teach yourself on the go how to build out your Kajabi pages. But like I said, it does everything from your home page to your landing pages to your funnels. It can then host courses, memberships, communities. It does the checkout. It does the contacts. So everything here is that one-time fee. So it might seem a little bit high for you at the moment, but actually just have a look at all the other plugins that you might want to try and duct tape together to equal Kajabi's fee. So as you can see, I am a Kajabi user and a fan of Kajabi. I have been for years. So this is just a little insight into how I use Kajabi to run my online business, and this is my platform of choice. So that's it. Hopefully that makes sense between the Kajabi platform and the Squarespace platform. Now, like I said, it all depends on the functionality you need as an online business owner, what you're looking for. Squarespace may be the one for you if you're just looking for a shop window. But if at all you're going to go down the courses and memberships and monetization route for digital courses, then Kajabi is no doubt, hands down, my preferred option and the one that I would wholeheartedly recommend. Now, I did mention that Kajabi do offer a 14-day free trial. Now, as a Kajabi partner, I can get you an extended 30-day free trial, so over double the public trial if you use my link. My link is timpeakman.com/Kajabi. Now, full disclosure, this is an affiliate link, but all this means is if you use my link and sign up to be a paying member of Kajabi, part of your payment comes back to me in support of this channel at no extra cost to you. And as a thank you for signing up with my link, I'm going to grant you a gift right off the bat. I'm going to give you access to one of my courses. It's called Kajabi Unboxed. You're going to get access right away, and it talks to you and walks you through how to set up your Kajabi account in the right way to set up for scale. And if you do continue to be a paying customer of Kajabi using my link, then I'm going to grant you another course, and it's called my sales page templates. All it is you can just go into the course and download my sales page templates and then upload them into your Kajabi account and use these templates for your sales pages and your posts. So 2 free courses with me and some more bonuses. Head over to timpeakman.com/Kajabi. Hope you've enjoyed this video and I've provided value to you. Look forward to seeing you again on another one real soon.